How to search for emails in Outlook on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Outlook app on your phone. You will then be taken to the inbox where you can view all your Outlook emails. If you want to find a specific email, then go to the top right corner and tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type in the name or the word that you're looking for and tap on search. You will now get all the results that contain this name or word. Tap on the email button at the top if you're looking for emails only. Or, tap on the people button if you're looking for emails from specific people. You can also tap on events to find any event you're looking for. After that, tap on the filter icon as shown. From here, you can filter the emails according to your preference. Once you're done, tap on Apply at the top right. You can now find the filtered emails over here. Following these steps, you can easily search for emails in Outlook on iPhone.